Hi, thank you for joining me for your astrological forecast for Friday, June 4th and Saturday, June 5th. I'm Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started like we always do by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, toxicity, and negativity from our emotional astral bodies. One more breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our body. It's flowing right out and it's going back to wherever it came from. And in its place, we're being filled with this beautiful white light. And this white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It goes out and then forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to its source. As we visualize this with our creative imagination, the more we visualize, the more real it becomes. So make sure you do this whenever you need it. While we're in the space of this beautiful white light, let's do our Gemini affirmation. I am connected with my higher self. Together we build the life I want. Let's say that together and then stay in this space of white light for just 5 seconds. All right. I am connected with my higher self. Together we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Have we been using the heck out of this thing this week? I hope we have, because I don't know about you, in some cases it's the only thing that saved me from doing something or saying something completely inappropriate. I know I still do that a lot. I still can be pretty inappropriate, but consciously and not unconsciously. This was unconsciously. Okay, well, it's Friday. We made it. If you're watching the channel, you have survived. Battered and bruised. The verbal assault didn't stop all week, did it? Oh my gosh. And you know, the crazy thing is, this energy is happening with us. I keep telling about all those crazy people out there and their aggression and being very conflicted and very contradictory. Well, that's us too, right? The thing is, though, by watching this channel, we become familiar with the energy that's in the environment, and then we can consciously work with it. We consciously know what it is, so we know how to respond consciously. It is so important. But the point is, all of these aggressive feelings, all of these conflicted feelings, they're coming up for us too. And so like everyone else, we have the tendency to want to lunge and project those on other people, but because we're conscious, we're owning it. Instead of projecting our feelings onto other people, we are owning it and we're following it. We're following those feelings, we're following those emotions, so we can get to the bottom of it to heal or transform or release them. So, I know it's been a tough week. More of the same today. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. So I hope we had a wonderful evening last night with our lover or our partner. I hope we used that energy that was available and got to a new level of intimacy with our partner. We discovered some treasure. Today, now we're fortified to get through another day of crazy conflicting energy. And we still have those retrogrades. We have Saturn, we have Pluto, and Mercury retrograde. So our stuff is going to continue to come up for us. So please be conscious of our feelings today and follow them. Don't stuff them down. Don't project them on somebody else like a lot of us are doing, but follow them and stay with them so that we can determine where they're coming from. So that's the scoop for today. Tomorrow we have, oh goodness, it's for Saturday, it's more fogginess. We've got Mercury, which is retrograde, of course. That is squaring Neptune and Pisces. So tomorrow is very foggy, not a lot of clear thinking going on. So let's spend our time after we get off work today on Friday and tomorrow by making it a point, making it a priority to connect with our higher selves to grow that relationship and that connection. I've been talking about it for a while. We're going to need a conscious connection with our higher self as we move through this new energy of Aquarius that is going to be around for the next 2,000 years. So let's get connected to our higher self. Let's take time out in our day. I don't care if it's just for 5 minutes. Make it the same part of your routine or the same part of the day so that your higher self knows when you're coming to call on them, on us, on our higher self, however you want to say it. And just 5 minutes to start of spending that time of centering, quiet, and peace. And you don't have to do anything. Just sit in that space of white light and say, here I am. What do you want to share with me? That's all you really need to do. And just stay in that white light. Visualize ourselves in that white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good for 5 minutes. Let's do that today and tomorrow. Let's not take out our unbalanced, unresolved feelings on other people, including our partner. Let's remain patient, tolerant, and let's come from where we always should come from: love, abundance, and gratitude. If we come from love, abundance, and gratitude, if we come from a space where we think of how our actions and thoughts will affect everyone instead of just us, if we are grateful for the tiniest little thing, even I like to say the smell of coffee because I can't smell it. So I would love to smell the simple pleasure of smelling some coffee. Be grateful for that. And be abundant. We worked on this last month on this channel by getting in touch with our abundance, understanding, knowing beyond a shadow of a doubt that the universe has everything we need to fill any desire or anything we require. The only thing that gets in our way is us, because we don't believe it, because we allow people to manipulate and control us. So anyway, having said that, today is Friday. Yay! What do the guides have to say for today and tomorrow to help us have a more balanced and harmonized day and Saturday? Watching clouds. Yes, definitely a good activity for today and tomorrow, I would say. Rainbow blessings. Just kind of what we're talking about here. And vast vistas. Whoops, there I am. Vast vistas. So, Spirit wants to tell us today, okay, we did make it till Friday. We've just got a little bit more time to get through the end of this work week, and we can sit back and relax, stay out of the fray, stay away from everyone's drama, and just observe and relax. Enjoy our evening tonight. just hang out with our friends, family, people that honor us. Because we've been beat up all week, haven't we? And some of it's come from our own self. I gotta be honest with you. I don't know about you. I've been doing a little bit of self-abuse, so I'm really working on that healing and transforming. So let's work on that. Remember, gratitude. Gratitude is such a powerful tool. When we are grateful for anything, rainbow blessings all around. We have so many things to be grateful for in our lives. And as soon as we are grateful for one little tiny eensy beensy thing, the whole world opens up and all these miracles can come in. And when that happens, we can see far into the distance. We can see beyond ourself, beyond our selfishness, beyond our feelings. And we can see the whole and how we're connected to it. And not only that, we'll be able to see new opportunities that arise for us. So, don't get crazy. Take cover. Protect ourselves. Don't allow anyone to compromise us today, our values or our ideals. We may have to stick up for ourselves, but if we don't have to, let's stay away from it all. Let's just sit back and observe and think about a wonderful evening with friends, family, maybe going to do something social with people that we actually like and like us back today and tomorrow, because tomorrow, Saturday, energy is not there to do any kind of problem solving or to finish up anything. We're just gonna stay in the flow of relax. Things are foggy tomorrow anyway. So stay there and just enjoy. And I will see you Sunday for the weekly astrological forecast coming up. Take care. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, life is lived from the inside out. Happy weekend. Namaste.